If you love four-wheel driving, chances are you're pretty fond of your vehicle. It costs you a lot of money and you want it to last. And what's the best way to prolong the life of your vehicle? Electronic rust prevention. Electronic rust prevention is not new, but it is essential. Paul Gibson made a career as a commercial fisherman, where his car and equipment was subjected to hard labour in harsh conditions. Salt water and sea spray, it's a highly corrosive environment, day in and day out. But Paul swears by electronic rust prevention systems.
It'd been nearly 20 years ago that it was first brought to my attention. I thought anything that will help salvage a vehicle with the extreme conditions we put it in is going to be terrific. Anyone that buys a vehicle living on the coast or around estuaries or anything like that, they'd be silly if they didn't invest in the
Electronic Rust Prevention Systems, or ERPS, are the pioneers. They have been developing, designing and producing electronic rust prevention in Australia for 20 years. And during that 20 years, technology advances have meant that the ERPS system is designed to meet the extremely harsh environments we expose our vehicles to. How does it work? The loss of a single electron when water and oxygen come into contact with bare metal results in a chemical change that creates a whole new compound called ferric oxide. In other words, rust. And quite simply, the ERPS system constantly replaces and replenishes those lost electrons, meaning the rust process can be slowed considerably, even stopped.
8 years ago, we had ERPS installed in our first ATV. We regularly maintained it. We've never ever seen a spot of rust. It's been fantastic.
Everything in your vehicle lasts longer, from your brakes to your muffler, which makes a huge impact on resale value.
Previously of putting the electronic rust prevention in my vehicles, when we'd take the vehicles to trade them in, the car dealerships, they wouldn't want to know us. They'd say if you took it to a farm, you might get $2,000 for it if you're lucky. Since I was introduced to this electronic rust prevention, the first 2.5 years we had the vehicle, I took it in and the guy said, oh, geez, it's not a bad looking vehicle and I might have to give you about $22,000 for it. Well, I nearly fell off the chair.
Do you need an electronic rust prevention system? My guess is, yes you do. All vehicles rust. If you live on or near the coast, like the majority of Australians, then rust is accelerated. Electronic rust prevention system protects your vehicle and it protects your lifestyle.